Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you what I got during the Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty, plus some other things that weren't part of the sale. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So I'm gonna be sharing with you what I got for the sale, plus some extras that weren't part of the sale. So yeah, and let me just start by apologizing for the eye look. This look was the previous video. I did use the ColourPop times the ColourPop The Legend of Korra eyeshadow palette with the liquid chrome shadows, but the liquid chrome shadows, I just used one. It was in Earth, and it creased on me really bad, and yeah, so excuse the patchiness. I still have to test those out a little bit more to get my thoughts, or because yeah, it looks really patchy. So let's just start there. But yeah, let's get started. I have this little bag right here. I didn't get everything from in store, but every time I got something in the mail, I just excuse me, I just put it right in the bag, so I knew. So yeah, I'm just gonna be picking out stuff from the bag in no particular order. So the first thing I see here is this Peach and Lily Power Cocktail Lactic Acid Repair Serum. This says it has 10% lactic acid plus 12 active extracts. So I wanted to give this a try. I've heard a lot of good things from Peach and Lily, the brand, and I also love repair serums. So I got this. Now I have used this I want to say like 3 times. I've used this, and I used it at night before I apply my moisturizer, and so far I like how it makes my skin feel in the morning. It looks so plump, so hydrated. I don't know, I really like this, and I feel like I can tell a difference. So yeah, I have to keep trying it, but so far so good. Then I also ended up getting the Patchology FlashPatch patches. These are the overnight brights. These have retinol in them. So this one has, I believe, it doesn't say here, 15 pairs. So, I have used this a couple of nights. Not sure if I've noticed a difference just yet, but it comes in a little cute jar right here, and it also has like a spoolie kind of thing, so you can scoop out the eye patch instead of picking it with your hands, just because of germs and stuff, and you don't want to mess with the formula either. It's really liquidy. That's the only thing I noticed. It's very liquidy, and when you first apply it, it kind of slides off your face, so you kind of have to put it back in place. But after it kind of starts to set, so you'll see it'll stop moving around in your face. But yeah, so far I like them. Can't really say if it makes a difference, but of course I'm gonna keep using them, and for half off, it can't beat that. So let's see. So I also got the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. So I've had this foundation in a long time ago, in the past, and I used it up. I never repurchased it because I had so many other foundations I was using at the moment, and I don't like to be wasteful. I actually like to use my products, especially like foundations and concealers. So yeah, when I saw this was going to be part of the sale, I'm like, oh my god, this is the time where I have to definitely snag it, which I did. I ended up getting mine in 4 and 2 spiced sand. So I'm so excited to use this. This was a holy grail. I have combination to oily skin, so this kept me matte for just about all day. And that says a lot. So, and this was my go-to for like events, and yeah, I really love this, and I hope, you know, that the formula is still the same and I'm gonna enjoy it as much as I did before. So super excited about that. Another repurchase was the Dermablend Professional loose setting powder. This is in the shade Original, so the translucent. Now I've raved about this for so long. If you know me, if you've been watching all my channels, I used to I say I used to use this because I finished the powder, and this is actually a pretty big jar. It looks like this, and I love this powder. It's so silky soft, and it just makes you look so flawless. Like, this is, I don't know what it is, I really don't, but I really love it. And so I'm like, okay, for half off, because I believe the powder is like $36 original price, so for half off, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. And so I ended up getting another one. So yeah, and then I also ended up getting the Zitsticka KILLA Deep Access Patch. This only has 4. This is for deep zits. Just because, you know, during my time of the month, I usually break out. And yeah, I have the Heroes. I love those patches for when I'm breaking out, but I wanted to try something different, so I only ended up getting 4. And this was kind of pricey. It was only, what, like 10? Around there, I think. But yeah, I ended up getting this to try out. I haven't yet, but I'll keep you posted. I also ended up getting 2 blushes from Benefit. I got Willow, which is this pretty mauve shade right here. And I really don't like this packaging. And the other shade I got was in Sunny, which is this peachy shade, which I love for the summertime. So I feel like these are going to be perfect for summer. As you can see, this is more mauvey pink and this is peachy. So I'm pretty excited, and I haven't really used these because I've been waiting to do like a trying new makeup video. So yeah, so I'm excited to try those. And of course I also had to buy a Tarte Ultra Creamy Shape Tape, just because I have the original one and that's too matte for me, so I'd rather mix it in with this one. So I ended up getting one of these. I also wanted to get the Persona blushes, but when I woke up in the morning, they were like gone. They were all sold out, so I'm bummed I missed them because they were only 10. I mean, they're not bad original, or like the original price is only $22, I believe, so it's not a bad price. But for $10, you know, you could have bought 2 for that price. But yeah, and then I ended up getting, of course, Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. You'll know, I'm very particular with my eyebrows, so I ended up getting one. I go through these like water because this is the only thing that I use. Next, I ended up getting the KVD Tattoo Pencil Liner. I got mine in the shade Azurite Blue. It's like a cobalt blue. it's an eyeliner, and how I want to use this is for the waterline, because see, it's this really pretty like cobalt blue, and yeah, when I swatched it, it was very long. Let me see, that was horrible. This is the shade right here. It's really pretty and it's very long lasting. I remember when I was trying to remove it, it was really, I had to use my makeup remover to take that. So right off the bat, I like that it's very long lasting. So yeah, and that's how, and it does say long wear gel eyeliner. So I want to use it on the waterline for like a pop of color. So yeah, more on that. And well, this is the Peach and Lily Body KP Bump Boss Microdome Body Scrub. Now this I got as a freebie when I bought this serum. So I mean, it was in the bag, so I figured I'd show it. Alrighty. And the last thing that I got that was part of the sale was dun, 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 is this Morphe times Ariel brush kit. This retails for $98 and I was able to get it for $49. That was a steal. And yeah, I got this by miracle because I had actually fallen asleep and I figured I'll get it in the morning when I wake up. But I think my daughter was having a hard time sleeping that night, and I remember the time it was like 1 in the morning, and by the time I was checking this out, it was like 1:03 in the morning, and I was able to get it. But when I went back to sleep and woke up at like 6 in the morning, this was already sold out. This one and the other brush, I think they had the face brushes on sale, and that was sold out as well. So I'm happy that it happened however it happened. But yeah, I was able to get myself another. Like, I have these brushes already, but these are really, really, really good. So yeah, and this is the last thing I got from the sale. Now I'm gonna share with you some extras that I've bought that weren't part of the sale, that I'm gonna use in an upcoming like trying new makeup video. So let me move that to the side and let me bring my little bag. It's not much, but I figured I'd share since I'm already hauling some of the stuff that I bought from the sale. But I ended up getting the double wear stay in place makeup pump. So if you didn't know, that Estee Lauder foundation doesn't have a pump, it's just open, so you kind of have to like pour it, which can get messy at times, and I don't like that. So I got the pump. The pump is only $10, but I have points. I have so many points at Sephora, so it was kind of like free. Some other things that I ended up getting were the Ardell Professional Naked Lashes. These are in the 421s. These look really, really pretty and lightweight, and wispy. So I'm excited to try this. I also got these new lashes as well. These are new and these are from Kiss. These are the Muses collection. These are in Legacy. These are really pretty as well. So I'm excited to try these. Okay, and then I also ended up getting the Milani Conceal and Perfect Blur Out Powder. This is also new as well. I got it in the shade Translucent, and I'm excited to try this. I've seen some reviews on this, so I wanna try it myself. Because, you know, I love loose powder. So I ended up getting that. I also wanted to try the NYX Professional Fat Oil Lip Drip. All the shades were they were all sold out. There was only like a few of like the really dark brown, and then this is in the shade Follow Back, and this is actually the last one because all the others were open, which is so upsetting. But this is really pretty. It's like a brown shade, and it has like really fine glitters in there. I'm not sure if the camera would be able to pick it up, but it's really, really pretty. So I'm excited to try this. Y'all know I love my lip oil from Lunar Beauty. So yeah, ended up getting that. And let's see. I also ended up getting 2 primers for the eyes. I wanted to get the Milani eyeshadow primer. And I got this because, for one, I've been so into the MAC Prep and Prime primer for my eyes. You know, I love that. But I didn't have anything drugstore, like an alternative in case, you know, you wanted something more affordable. So I bought this to try out and see like how my eyeshadow wears with this. I've heard good reviews on this. So I'm excited to try that. Along with that, I also ended up getting the NYX glitter primer. Now I love the Too Faced glitter primer, but I'm not sure they make it because I can't find it anywhere. So, and I wanted to see if this is an alternative. I know a lot of people mentioned this is a dupe, but I know how the Too Faced glitter glue works, so I'm excited to see if this is the exact same thing, because it does. If it does, then that's great, because I'm almost out of that one, my Too Faced one. So, you know, I want something to replace it. So I'm excited to try this. And I always like colorful eyeliners to like use to, you know, I guess bring the eye look to the next level. I have a lot. And there was 2 shades in particular that I didn't have. For some reason, I didn't have an orange eyeliner, and so NYX came out with these Epic Wear eyeliners. These are like spicy ones from the Spicy collection or something like that, and I got mine in the Habanero Hottie. So it's in the orange shade, and this will be perfect for like summer, for like pops of color. So I ended up getting that, and I also got the Pretty Poblano, which is like this pretty brown. And I really don't have any browns. Actually, no, I'm lying. I have this one. This is, what is this? This is an, oh, this is like a coppery one. Okay, so yeah, I don't have a brown one, but I kind of want to get the burgundy one too. The only reason I didn't get that one was because I don't want to give the impression that I have pink eye, or like there's something wrong with my eye. And that's why I didn't get that one. But I'm sure it'll look pretty with like a, you know, a nice eye look, and then that. I'm not sure. But this is everything that I got from the sale, and a little extras. So yeah, probably the next video you're gonna see from me is trying all this makeup, and then yeah, I'm excited for new videos to come. You're also gonna see my Sephora sale recommendations, because the sale's coming up on the 14th of April. Yay! Not that I'm gonna participate much, because I bought a lot of makeup and there's nothing that I truly need. But in case you do want to shop the sale, I will have some recommendations for you. So that video is coming up as well. Alrighty, so this is all that I ended up getting during the sale, with some little extra stuff. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.